Well, guys, we're October 4th, 2012. I'm just going down to check the potato field I've been through. It's kind of tough to get through these roads here. Gotta get this thing here. I hope it keeps snowing so we get a little more moisture. Oof, wow. Looks like the bus got down here. I see some tracks. Boy, I don't know if I dare, I better not go off the road here. I'll run out here and see what we got out here for in the field. Oh, oops. Whoa. What? Shoot, what's going on? Down there yet. They must not have got much rain. Well, she should soak up.